welcome back to Baking Butterly Love. My name is Katie, and in this video, I want to show you some really easy buttercream piping techniques.
So here's the cake I'm going to be making today. Let's break it down so you can see each different piping tip and technique. First, I'll be using a large open star tip to pipe rosettes. So to pipe these rosettes, start where you want the center to be, then pipe once all the way around that point. Release pressure on your piping bag right as you pull away at the end. Try to keep your piping tip perpendicular to the surface that you're piping on. Next up, I'm going to use a small French star tip to pipe overlapping loops. Start by piping a U shape, then pipe another U overlapping that first one, and just repeat as many times as you like. Now I'm going to use a larger French star tip to pipe large star dots. To pipe these dots, hold your piping tip in one place and squeeze. When the dot is as big as you like, stop squeezing and then pull straight up. For the next technique, I'm going to use a pedal tip to pipe ruffles. Hold the piping tip so that the larger end is against your cake. Apply even pressure and move the piping tip back and forth as you pull away. Finally, I'm going to use a leaf tip to create a spiky texture. This one is really easy. Just make sure you're holding the tip so it's kind of like a bird beak. The edges of the leaves are going to come out from either side. Give the piping bag a short squeeze and then pull away to create one leaf. You can pipe several rows and layer the leaves to create the spiky texture. Now let's put it all together on the cake. I like to start with the rosettes first since they're the biggest. Space these out randomly around your cake, but try to keep it balanced. By the way, if you're wondering how to get these really dark, deep colors in your buttercream, especially ones like this dark navy blue or the bright red, I have all that info available for free in my mini course, Color Like a Pro. In the course, I show you how to color buttercream and also how to match exact color palettes using the color wheel. There's a link in the description below for you to sign up and watch the course. Next, I'm going to start to fill in with my loops. I like to pipe these so that they sort of curve around the rosettes. Now I'm going to do some of the big star dots. You can pipe these either individually or you can do little clusters. Next up, I'm going to go in with some ruffles. Don't forget to hold that wide end of the tip towards your cake. Now I'm starting to fill in most of the empty space on my cake because I do want to keep that center swirl clear. So I'm going to start layering the textures on top of each other a bit. Alright, and then now I'm going to do some of that spiky leaf texture right along the edges here. And this is a really good one to use when you want to fill in small spaces. Now that I've got a little bit of each texture piped, I'm going to go around the cake again with all of my different techniques to build up some height and layer all those fun textures.